Say hello, Frankie. Yeah. I have a feeling this is going to be a problem. So we're going to do this. I'm going to pull this a little bit further south. Leave the turtle alone. Let him rest in peace. And now he's got a bigger gap so he can walk through. There's a bit of a ledge back behind that stuff. This is your typical dining room table. We got, I think we paid 30 or 40 bucks for it. So I'm getting everything cleared and organized so that way when I'm videotaping, I don't have a bunch of stuff in my way. And also Frankie gets up on the table while I'm videotaping. As you can see, hi buddy. He just pushes things out of the way. No concept. Huh. We're going to get rid of this mess tomorrow. That's a very old Panasonic camcorder, the kind that took little mini tapes. I'm going to get all this stuff here cleared out tomorrow so that way he can have that spot to sit right there. Yes. I think Frankie will like that. He likes to sit on a table while I'm drawing and painting. Then he can expect and tell me his opinion. Yeah, pray for everyone.